Welcome back, guys. This is Fuzzbuzz. Wherever I go for a picnic, barbecue, just an outing, I always take my Turkish coffee pot. You make Turkish coffee in it, and today I'm going to make it in the charcoal. So I'll just share that with you guys, how I go about. I've got some coffee in here that I brought with 2 or 3 cubes of sugar. So I'm going to empty this into here. Might be a little bit too much coffee, but that's okay. Never too much coffee, I guess. Maybe just a little bit more. Okay. And of course, I'll never leave my rubbish. I always take my rubbish with me. Be a good citizen wherever I go. Put some water in here. I'm making about 2.5 cups worth, so you sort of fill it up just like that, and then I've got to stir that first. Actually, I'll just get a little something to stir it with. As I don't have a spoon, I'll just use a knife. Okay, and I just need to open up a little hole in the middle here. Bloody hot in there, I tell you. Just like that, and just fill it up around it. And we just wait for it. Once it's done, Bob's your uncle. Well, my uncle's not Bob, but anyway, as they say, Bob's your uncle. I'll have a beautiful Turkish coffee, and then I'm ready for the road again. Cheers.